sa inyong kalaman, sa hindi pa nakakaalam, ang magsasalita po sa atin dito ay dating City Mayor ng Cotabato City. At alam po ba ninyo na siyang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon tayo ng kit fee dahil po kay former Mayor Muslimin Sema. Nang siya po ay maging mayor, naging naging executive director po siya ng Regional Development Council 12. Kaya po umunlad yung region dahil po kay Mayor Muslimin Sema at naging aktibong member po siya ng League of Cities of the Philippines. Nang magkaroon po ng peace process, isa po siya sa mga peace negotiator ng Moro National Liberation Front kung kaya't nagkaroon po tayo ng final peace agreement noong 1996. Marami po siyang naging katungkulan pagkatapos ng pirmahan ng 1996 final peace agreement. Siya rin po ang naging executive director o executive chairman ng SPC-PD. Kung inyong matatandaan yung Southern Philippines Council for Peace and Development, naging executive director po siya. At nang maupo po yung MNLF sa ARM, naging executive secretary po siya ni Regional Governor Nur Miswari. Ngayon po, siya pa rin po ang kasalukuyang chairman ng Moro National Liberation Front sa pangalawang pagkakataon dahil ang MNLF po ay merong batas, merong charter na nagpapalit-palit po ng mga minister. 2 times na po siyang na-elect ng Central Committee upang maging chairman ng Moro National Liberation Front Central Committee. Ngayon po ay minister siya ng Ministry of Labor and Employment ng BARMM. Kaya pakinggan po natin ngayon, makinig po tayo ng mabuti dahil siya na po ang magpapaliwanag sa lahat-lahat ng gusto nating marinig. Pakinggan po natin ngayon ang mensahe ng ating presidente ng Bangsamoro Party at MNLF Chairman Bapamus Sema.
Bangsamoro, ika'y pinagpalang bayan, lupain na nasang kalayan. Tinubo ang lupa, ikaw ay kaingatan, bandila mo'y lagi.
Okay, please, pwede na kayong umupo. Auzubillahi minasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wa bihi nasta'in. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good morning sa lahat natin dito. Christians, non-Christians, Muslims. Wala naman sirong atheist dito sa Cotabato. Pero kung meron man, welcome pa rin kayo because BAPA is for all. BAPA represents all Bangsamoro. Muna gusto kong alalahanin, banggitin ang mga pangalan upang mabigyan natin sila ng alaala, mabigyan natin sila ng importansya sa history ng Bangsamoro. Gusto kong pangunahin ang pangalan ni Dato' Udug Matalam, ang organizer ng Mindanao Independence Movement, kung saan nagsimula ang Moro National Liberation Front. Gusto kong banggitin ang pangalan ni Dato' Abdullah Sangki. Siya po ang isa sa mga leaders na nag-welcome, umalaga sa mga naunang cadre officers ng Moro National Liberation Front, yung tinatawag nating mga 90s. Siya po ang nag-alaga, siya po ang nagbigay ng suporta sa kanila. Si Dato Giwan Mastura, sila po, ang kanilang pamilya, ang nagbigay ng shelter sa mga 90s and the 300s in Central Mindanao. Si Dato Alawi Ampatuan, kapatid ito ni Dato Andal Ampatuan, pero revolutionary yun. Siya po ay nasabil in an encounter along the Rio Grande. Dato Lukman, ito si Congressman Lukman ng Lanao Province, Lanao del Sur. Yung mga taga-Lanao, you should be very proud of Congressman Lukman. Si Ahmad Alonto of Lanao, sila po ang unang nagpahayag sa kahirapan sa status ng mga Moro dito sa Mindanao. Uto Talom of Sulu, sila po ang mga naging shelters ng MNLF in Manila, yung mga students in Manila. Congressman Anne of Sulu. Sorry. Tawi-Tawi. Madalas po ako sa bahay nila noon. Doon kami nagmi-meeting with our brothers from Tawi-Tawi. Former Mayor Aratok of Buldun. Sinong taga Buldun dito? Wala. Pero taga Buldun, we give respect to Mayor Aratok. Abubakar of Hulo. Yun, may mga anak ito na naging very active members of the Moro National Liberation Front, pero ngayon wala na sila. This is how we value the foundation of the Moro National Liberation Front. Ngayon, naririto ngayon ang mga Bangsamoro civil societies dito sa Basulta area. Marami sila dito ngayon. Mga anak MNLF yan. Dito sa Central Mindanao, meron din. Headed by Yasir Arafat Bansawan. From Basulta CSO, the White Flag Incorporated of San Basulta, yung Awer Basilan Province, yung Kapatot Bangsabsug Incorporated of Sulu, Ulong Tabang South Association Tawi-Tawi, Samahan Incorporated Tawi-Tawi, Tawi-Tawi Human Rights Watch, Youth for Better Bulan, Sukabalan, Tawi-Tawi, and other 72 organizations all over BARM. Ito ang foundation ng ating mga pag-organisa ng Bangsamoro Party. Honorable members of the Parliament na narito ngayon, esteemed chief executives who have joined us, distinguished regional and national officials, former MNLF combatants, and their officers, yung mga 300s, yung mga locally trained, fellow members and supporters of the Bangsamoro Party, and of course, the mother of the Bangsamoro Organic Law, by Sandra Sema, The members of the media na narito ngayon, parang ang dami-dami nyo. Maraming salamat. Good day. Again, Assalamualaikum. I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and pride as we gather for our General Assembly meeting in this momentous day, May 11, 2024. We are here in the midst of history, on a sacred ground to us that bears witness to the struggles, sacrifices, and triumphs of our people. You know, this place, Kakar, is one of the living memories of the Bangsamoro struggle. Isa ito sa mga unang asemblehan, pinagmimitingan, pinagtatagpuan ng ating mga leaders noon, kasama si Normi Suari, Ustad Hasim Salamat. Professor Normi Suari used to encamp himself diyan lang sa unahan along the Kamasi River before he transferred to Palimbang. Hindi siya nag-encamp sa Sulu. Dito siya, sa Central Mindanao. Salamat Hasim, when he abandoned his post as a public librarian of the provincial government of Cotabato, dito siya dumaan nung magtago na siya. He was picked up here by his relatives and followers. Datwali or Basak live here, and Kakar stood for more than 6 months. Hindi po na-cruise ng Armed Forces of the Philippines itong Kakar na ito. It took them 6 months to negotiate, to fight for the fighters, against the fighters who stood by this side of Kakar, led by Commander Putaw, Commander Guevara, Patukan Madato, and many others, including Benji Andong here. As we look around this venue, we cannot help but be moved by the memories of the past, the echoes of the glories of the MNLF freedom fighters who blazed a trail of courage and resilience 5 decades ago. It is here, in this hallowed place, that the spirit of the Bangsamoro Revolution took root and blossomed into a beacon of hope. Dito, in addition, nakalimutan ko, dito nagmi-meeting ang Women's Committee. Dito nagtitraining yung mga first aiders. First aiders. Yung mga first aiders nun were trained by no less than Dr. Candao. Hindi ba? Oh, yes. Sino pa? Marami. Today, as we stand together, united in purpose and vision, we honor the legacy of those brave men and women who stood firm in the face of adversity, who fought for justice, dignity, and self-determination. Theirs are the footsteps we follow, their courage and commitment, our guiding light. The memory of my brother, Ibrahim Sema, the husband of Baydon Carol, who was martyred in the Sulu Seas in 1983. In the heart of the Bangsamoro Revolution, we find the soul of our movement, the essence of our identity as a people, determined to shape our own destiny, to forge a future of peace, prosperity, and equality. We owe it to those who came before us, to our ancestors and elders, to carry forward the torch of progress, to build on their achievements. As we gather here today, more than 10,000 strong, let us reaffirm our commitments to the principles of unity, peace, and empowerment that define the Bangsamoro Party. Let us rededicate ourselves to the task of governance, to the service of our community, and to the pursuit of better tomorrow for generations to come. I am filled with gratitude and optimism for the future that lies ahead. One journey towards a stronger, more prosperous Bangsamoro is at a crucial juncture. And the upcoming 2025 BARM election or parliamentary elections are a pivotal moment in shaping our collective destiny. With the slogan, in the service of the Bangsamoro, as our guideline, we are called to action, to rally our strengths, to mobilize our resources, and to unite in purpose and vision. The road ahead may be challenging, but it is one that we must traverse with courage, determination, and unwavering commitment to the ideals that defines us as a party. In 2025 BARM election, present us with a golden opportunity to showcase our dedication to the people we serve, to demonstrate our capacity for governance, and to earn the trust and support of our commitment or constituents. Let us embrace this challenge with enthusiasm, with passion, and with a clear sense of purpose. Our goal is clear: to emerge victorious in the 2025 parliamentary election, to secure a mandate for progress, developments, and inclusive governance that truly serves the needs and aspirations of the Bangsamoro people. Together, united as one, we can achieve this goal. We can realize this vision, and we can build a better, bright future for our people. Let us embark on this journey with faith in our hearts, with unity in our ranks, and with the unwavering belief that together we can make a difference. We can bring about positive change, and we can lead the Bangsamoro region to a new heights of growth and prosperity. Let us remember that our mission is not just to win the election, but to serve a cause greater than ourselves, a cause that embodies the spirit of the Bangsamoro Revolution, the spirit of hope, justice, and empowerment. With the theme or battle cry, service of the Bangsamoro people, in the service of the Bangsamoro people, as our rallying cry, let us march forward with confidence, with resolve, and with a deep sense of duty to our people and our homeland. Let us draw inspirations from the memories of the past, from the struggles, that victories of our forebears, as we chart a course of the Bangsamoro region that is guided by justice, integrity, and inclusivity. Together, we shall overcome any obstacles, transcend any challenge, and achieve our shared vision of Bangsamoro that is strong, vibrant, and free. In closing, let us remember the words of our heroes. The spirit of their resolve echoing through the corridors of time. And I quote, "We will not falter, we will not waver, we will prevail." May our General Assembly today be a testament to our collective strength, our unwavering solidarity, and our boundless hope for a brighter tomorrow of the Bangsamoro. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. But before I leave, huwag muna kayong tumayo because I want to speak from my heart. Skano ang mga lulutakin sa Ranao, remember Takub, remember the massacres, the victims. We are their hope. The Bangsamoro Party is their hope. Remember the sons and daughters of our martyrs. The Bangsamoro Party is their hope. Remember the massacres. Mga katawte, mga rungkuwa, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, Basilan. Kaya nga tanong mo, wayroong problem Matawi-Tawi, wayroong problem Hasulu, wayroong problem Habasilan. Sa simud ka mo, ha problem na mo. There was no massacre in Tawi-Tawi. There was no massacre in Sulu. There was no massacre in Basilan. You stood for us in Central Mindanao. Agsukul. So, yan kaya Bangsamoro Party tano na ungaya atau iga sayaw rugu no mga miyaninindog. Di ka na ba kabaya sa kakamal. Ugay, may tataro sibu, minggay tano, may bagay tano. So mga kahanda o mga miyaninindog. Imparte nato inihibok ko na dyan baya umulin, kumamal, atawa mabaya mahinang leader. Ang kato ini parsugpatan si panindugan si mga kamaasa nato. So murah-murahan kita niyo mahambog tanyo kataan karel nato pa mga sumuno kato inhula agama bangsa. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Yamana na hula agama bangsa na. Inged agama gusto bangsa tanong. Dito na ng butuanan. Inuaya kamal sign no Bangsamoro Party sabat di tanong butanan supyanindagan tanong. Di na itong butanan impianindugan nato. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Agsukol.